What is up, hustlers? I'm back with another video, another method, another hustle. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can start making money online by selling products even if you have none of your own, if you've never done this before, if you have no technical experience. There is no reason why you cannot do this today. Okay, guys. Also, thank you to my first 13 subscribers. We smashed through our 10 subscriber goal. We're well on our way to 20. We're growing super quick, and there is nothing really stopping us. Everyone told me you can't grow a YouTube channel in 2019. We're proving everybody wrong. But let's jump right into this method, guys. First website we're going to want to go to is called resellrightsweekly.com. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description below. Okay, so when you come to this method or into this website, you want to go to the bottom and you're going to want to hit a button in this bottom left hand corner where it says members login. Create a free membership, free, guys. Okay, now what this is going to do, it's going to allow us to access what's called PLR. PLR means private label rights. That means someone else has created a product, they're allowing us to use it as our own and sell it if we want to. You can do whatever you want with it. You can give it away, you can do whatever you'd like. So in this website, it's what they're gonna try to do is sell you like a package of like, we're gonna give you 700 books for this price. You don't want to do that, guys, and it's kind of hard to navigate because they want you to buy it, so they make it hard to find the free stuff. But I'm going to leave a link to that below as well, because you can see up here it's resellrightsweekly.com/members/members.php, kind of hidden. But I'm going to leave a link to that as well. Once you make your membership, go to that link and you'll be able to access all the free stuff. So by the way, too, you can just search on Google, PLR ebooks and that sort of thing, and you can find a bunch of other websites doing the same thing. I like this one. So once we get in here, guys, hit free member downloads. Now this is going to give us an archive of every single month going all the way back to 2007, I believe, of the ebooks and things that they've uploaded onto this site. And this is 100% free. We don't even have to buy this first and then resell it. We can just get it for free. So that's why I love this. So we're going to go to January 2019. So as you can see, there's a few books here. This ebook is teaching people how to, what are the benefits of long distance running. This is real estate investing, real estate flipping, how to blog, how to do online dating, online money, making your own online magazine. So it's teaching people how to do a bunch of things. And people are willing to pay for information, guys. I mean, online education is a huge business these days. So we'll pick one at random here. I like real estate flipping. That kind of calls out to me simply because the people who would be interested in this book would be willing to spend money on it, because these type of people are entrepreneurs. They invest in their education, and they know if they spend a little bit of money to learn something like this, they could make a lot of money later when they start flipping real estate. So once we decide on a product, we're going to click here to download real estate flipping. It's a small file, guys, because it's just text and one little image of the cover. So this downloads in like 2 seconds. Once we have our product, we will need a place to sell it. Next step in the process here, we're going to go to a site called gumroad.com, gumroad.com. Once we get here, make another free account, guys. This is totally free to do. And when we get here, we're going to click digital product, and then we're going to choose our files from computer, and then we're going to find where our ebook is. It's going to upload that fast, guys. 2 seconds, okay? Name of the product, we'll just make it real estate flipping made simple. For the price, you can put whatever you want. I highly recommend you do like $9 or $7, because you want it to be cheap enough that a lot of people will think, well, who cares? It's only a couple bucks, and if it's not good, I didn't really waste my money. And if it's too little, people will think it's garbage. If it's too much, people won't really buy it, because no one wants to spend like $40 on an ebook. So, I like to do like $7 or $9. So you can test out what works better for you, but I'm just gonna make this at $9 for now, and then we'll go to next to customize, and we will make a cover here. So, use a preview, upload a preview image, and then we will go to real estate cover, which I have saved here as well. This is all in the download file. It's super simple. Okay, so now I have this cover uploaded. Now you can put your description here. I can literally steal it straight from here. For the headline, ever thought about flipping houses for profit? You can put that right in there. You can type a little bit more here. In this ebook, we're going to teach you step by step how to start flipping real estate and making massive amounts of money and helping you escape your 9-to-5 job, something like that. Okay, and that's basically it. You don't need a ton of things here, guys. I mean, the cover basically sells itself. It's like, all right, we know what it is. It's going to teach us real estate flipping. There's going to be a bunch of steps, and it's $9. A comprehensive guide all about real estate flipping. People don't need to know much more than that for $9. If it was a $1,000 course, you kind of want to know about it first. But for $9, they're like, all right, let's check it out. So now that we have this, we're going to just save it and then hit publish, and then it's going to give us a link here. And once we get our link, we hit copy link, and then it's going to bring this is what the link will look like here. It's going to be gumroad.com/our unique link. And this is the product page that when someone clicks our link will bring us to. How nice is this? In just a matter of like 2 minutes, guys, I've got a product for free that I never had to take the time to make. Like, this would have taken a long time to write. This is, multiple pages. So, I have this, and now it's on a site where someone can just click, I want this, and boom, I'm getting paid. So that's, and also when you send this to someone to this link, they're not going to be hit with a bunch of other products on this website and everything. So they're just going to see your product, boom, I want this. Okay, so now we need to figure out how we're going to promote it. The main way I like to do is use Facebook groups. So when we head over to Facebook, you're going to want to go here to search and then put real estate flipping. Okay, then we're going to go to groups, and now what I would do is just look at all these groups about real estate flipping, okay, and real estate rehabbing, flip nerd, real estate investing. I mean, these people have thousands of members. So what I would do is go start to join some of these big ones, 39K, 7K, even the small ones too, because there'll be less posts in there. Look at 8 posts a week, so maybe you can get a post up in there. You can really stand out to these 205 people. And then once I have a few of these groups in, or will let me in, then I would start to put a post and say, I just found this awesome book. It helped me really get off the ground in my real estate business, and now I'm flipping houses regularly. Or, guys, check out this resource, or let me know what you think of this. Is this something I should buy? You can play it like it's not even yours. Do a couple little things and see kind of what works. And then we'll spread our link in these groups to people who are highly targeted. And guys, we just need 10 sales basically, and we're making $100. Okay, so that's basically it. And then there's other ways. Obviously, if you want to post this link, put this link in your Instagram bio, or if you want to go onto Instagram and comment through other pages, their comments, like go onto a real estate profile, go through their comments and start to reply to people and say, hey, like, have you heard of this, or check this out, I found this was really helpful, and show them the product and see if you can get some sales that way. You can also check out my other video, which was how to make money on Twitter, which is a great method to drive traffic to a link. So we can go to, I'll just show you actually real quick in this. If we go to twitter.com and we go to login, we're gonna find people who are talking about real estate investing, and we will be able to. All right, so let's go to search Twitter, how to flip real estate. Let's see. What I would do is I would go through here and just try to find a couple people who are like interested in, like, a lot of these people are trying to sell their programs and stuff, but maybe sometimes you can find a person who says, I want to know how to find real estate. If we actually put this in quotes, look, I want to learn how to flip real estate. Boom, reply to this guy with a comment, say, hey, check this book out, this really helped me out, it's only $9. Boom, paste your link in here. That's a sale right there. Plus anyone else who's following him will see that comment on his post, and you're in there. So that's another way you can do this, guys. Now, there's one final thing I want to share with you. This is called Payloads. So payloads.com. You can sell digital products on this website. The only downside is this does have a price. So it's $19.95 per month. But what they will do is they'll actually promote it and help you get sales. So this can be a better way. I have not tested this one out personally myself, but What you maybe want to do, if you have a $9 book, sell it twice and then pay for this for 1 month and see how this goes. So promote it in the Facebook groups, promote it on Twitter, and then we will go take that money, that $20 essentially, come over here, buy a 1 month membership and see how it goes. Now, see, they have an interest in you selling more because they get paid 2.9 cents per transaction. So that means every time you sell a book, they make money. So they want you to help. They want to help sell your book. So look, they have over $82 million in seller revenue, so they know what they're doing in terms of sales. So I would check the site out. You don't have to, but it's just another option. But that's it, guys. If you thought this video was cool, if you like these kind of methods, ways that you can get started for free, where to find free products, even nothing you have to even create yourself, where to promote it, how to sell it, drop a like in this video, hit subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm going to be making some new videos like this at least once a week is my goal. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, drop a comment, let me know what you think. I love you guys. Thank you.